The Food Service Exchange presents.
Credits a gas barbecue grill and just plain old good fortune for saving their daughter's life.
What a story this is. It happened during a thunderstorm a couple of weeks ago. NBC 13's Chris Pallone has more.
When a bad thunderstorm blew into her River Chase neighborhood a couple weeks ago, 11-year-old Andrea Campbell stood at a kitchen door and watched.
I was just looking out of the window because it started to hail, and that was sort of unusual. And all of a sudden, lightning hit this tree, and it was about to fall on me, so I got really scared.
A towering pine tree bearing down on the family's back deck, its top aimed right at where Andrea was standing. As the tree came crashing down, the family's stainless steel barbecue grill took the brunt of the force and possibly saved the young girl from certain harm.
The grill broke its fall, in fact broke the tree, and about a third of the tree came onto the patio and crushed everything on the patio and landed about maybe a foot from where Andrea was standing.
Right after it fell, I looked at everything and the grill had been dented, and I was like, oh my gosh, that thing saved my life.
The tree destroyed the Campbell's patio furniture. It ripped tiles and a gutter off the roof, but the glass windows where Andrea stood did not break. Not bad for a family that believes in angels.
Well, it was a miracle, really, because it could have really been a horrible tragedy.
The family shared the story with the grill's makers, and they sent a new one to replace the damaged grill.
We'd gone through a lot of cheap grills, and this is not the cheapest grill you can buy, but it's worth it, obviously. I think it will last a lifetime, and it saved a life, so, you know, it's a good purchase.
Now the Campbell family has to send the damaged grill back to the Crown Verity company in Canada. A company spokesperson says the damaged grill will be placed in its Barbecue Hall of Fame. We've got you covered. Chris Pallone, NBC 13 News.